Hello everyone. Today, we will troubleshoot MySQL Error 1049, Unknown Database. This error means your MySQL server can't find the database you are trying to access. It's a common issue, and we'll explore several ways to fix it. Let's get started. First, double-check the database name. This is the most common cause. A simple typo can lead to this error. Carefully examine the database name in your connection string, script, or command line tool. Ensure the capitalization is correct, as database names in MySQL are often case-sensitive. Even a small mistake like using my database instead of my database can trigger this error. Second, verify the database exists. Use a MySQL client like MySQL Workbench or the command line interface to list all databases on your server. The command show databases will display a list. See if the database you are trying to connect to is actually present. If it isn't, you'll need to create it. You can create a database using the command create database_name, replacing database_name with the desired name. Third, check your user privileges. The user you are using to connect to the database might not have the necessary permissions to access the specified database. Grant the user appropriate permissions using the grant command. For example, grant all privileges on database_name. To username at localhost gives the user username on localhost full access to the database_name. Remember to replace these placeholders with your actual values. Also, run flush privileges afterward to reload the grant tables. Fourth, review your connection details. Ensure your hostname, port, username, and password are correct. An incorrect hostname can prevent you from reaching the MySQL server, indirectly causing this error if the client defaults to trying to find the database on the wrong server. Verify that the port number is the standard MySQL port, 3306, unless you have configured it differently. Incorrect credentials will also prevent access to the server and, consequently, the database. Fifth, investigate any potential firewall issues. A firewall might be blocking connections to the MySQL server. Ensure that the firewall allows traffic on the MySQL port, usually 3306. Check both the server's firewall and any firewalls on your client machine. Sixth, consider database backup restoration issues. If you recently restored a database backup, the restoration process might have failed or corrupted the database. Verify the integrity of the restored database and try the restoration process again if necessary. Finally, after trying all the steps, try restarting your MySQL server. Restarting the server can sometimes resolve underlying issues that are preventing you from accessing the database. After restarting, re-verify your connection. That's it for troubleshooting MySQL Error 1049. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe for more database tips and tricks. Any support is highly appreciated.